So if we want to steer the aircraft on the ground safely and precisely, we must control them with the pedals. Ground control is controlled by the pedals, which pressing on the left pedal will make the nose wheel turn left, pressing on the right pedal will make the nose wheel go right, and if I press on the left pedal and brake, it will cause differential braking, which will result on a steeper turn to the left, and the same thing on the right pedal. So I will demonstrate this. So right now I'm gonna set some power to get it rolling. And if I want to turn to the left, press on the left pedal. Turn to the right pedal. And if I want to do a sharp turn, I must press the left pedal and brake with the same wheel. So left wheel braking and left pedal. And the same thing to the right pedal. And if I want to do a steep turn, I must press on the right brake and right pedal. So differential braking, and yes, that will make a steep turn to the right. If I want to do the same thing to the left, I must do the same thing. Left braking and left nose wheel input. Right, so right, left, right, left. Thank you for watching this instructional video of how to steer the aircraft on the ground.